G'day guys, Luke here at Honeycombs. Stay tuned, we review all machines. So look, stay tuned, Luke's Machinery Reviews. Have a look, see what we're looking at this week. YouTube and Instagram. Cheers, thank you. Feel free to come and see us. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the last rolling 21 days. I'm going to update. But then what I'm going to do under agronomic settings, you've got all these different settings. So I'm going to put a sum of moisture change. I've also got a temperature gauge and a rain gauge. Okay, I'm going to hit update. As you can see, it's one big jumble. I go over to the top screen, adjust it, but I also want to put in my individual sensor. Okay, so that's what we've got now. So what you can see in this window, this is our actual sensor. So this is just a sum of these three sensors, our ground moisture. So what we've got here in this right hand window is basically our three sensors. One's at 30 centimetres, one's at 20, one's at 10. So this is our top 10 centimetres of soil. As you can see, it's really runs away really quickly. Obviously it's only the top 10 centimetres of soil. This is our 20 centimetres sensor mark. Okay, you can see the crop drawing on it, which we've run away. As we know, this from now on is when we're trying to stress the crop to get it to shoot. And as you can see, down 30 centimetres, when we've watered, we've had a little spike. So what that means is we're getting moisture down to 30 centimetres. Pop, up she comes. Slowly, doesn't dry out as much. Obviously with 30 centimetres down, we're not losing as much moisture. Yeah, so up she comes again with watering, and away we go. So what we've got here is basically a daily moisture change. So, like I said, once again, we've gone back to the rolling 21 for the month, so 21 days. So as you can see, the red is a negative. So when I touch my mouse pad on it, we've got a negative 4.48 millimetres. So that's saying there's a sum of moisture change down to 4.48 millimetres of moisture change in that soil. So next day was dry, next day was dry, bang, we've watered. Same. Now this is once again end of the crop's life. We're stressing it out, drying it out. Okay, we come across this one here is actually our temperature. Okay, so we were sort of started at 22 degrees, roll your mouse pad over it, we've got up to 26, overnight temp of 9. So you can set yourself minimum alarms. So earlier in the year, I'll just go back to crop emergence. Forgive the phone.
G'day again guys, Luke again. Week 7 of our demo Field Connect, our crop of oats coming up quite lovely. Sorry I'm not out at the Field Connect, but we're getting a bit of irrigation. And also, as of week 7, for crop health management, we're also doing a drone coverage map. So it's not going to work really good, you can't really see what we're doing. But stay online and yeah, you'll see how we tie it all in together. NDVI plant health versus our soil moisture and yeah, crop care. So keep an eye out, coming soon. Cheers guys.